Assalamualaikum, dear students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahid Noor, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today our topic what will be? Let's see. Our topic is BQ 1 to 8 from exercise chapter 1. Lecture number 5, HW number 4. My beloved students, last YouTube class already you got the short question from exercise and from also CSQ, I mean competency based short question. And also I provided to you some questions which will come to the PEC. So I hope you already gathered what type of question you will face in the exam. So today I will discuss about the BQ, I mean broad question from exercise. If you check your book, in your exercise there are 8 BQ, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So today I will discuss about that 8 BQ. Let's see the first BQ, question number 1 BQ. What are the factors that we should know about Allah Ta'ala and to have faith on Him? Students, at first you have to understand the question. I mean, what are the factors? I mean, what are the ways? What are the steps we must know about Almighty Allah, and we have to believe on Almighty Allah or on Him. So what are that factors? What are that steps? What are that ways? So students, see, I given there 3 points. The first point is to know the existence of Allah. It means about the existence, about the entity of Almighty Allah, you have to write something. Then to know the attributes of Almighty Allah. So you will write the second point about the attributes, about the quality of Almighty Allah, what you know. And then last number, to know the consequence of going against Allah. I mean, if you disobey the Almighty Allah, if you disloyal to the Almighty Allah, then what will be your feedback? What will be your result in the worldly life and also in the next life? You have to write that. So students, if you understand that question, it will be very easy for writing. Question number 1 finished. Now question number 2, who is a mu'min? What is the outcome of Iman? Students, there are 2 parts of this question. First one is who is a mu'min? I mean, you have to write the definition of mu'min. So this is the definition of mu'min. And then what is the outcome of Iman? What does it mean? It means you have the Iman, you have to express that by doing something in the worldly life. That is called the outcome of Iman. I mean, you have Iman, that is the invisible things. You believe to the Almighty Allah, but you cannot show, you cannot express to anyone by opening your heart. But when you will do any activities according to the commands of Almighty Allah, then you can express you have the Iman. That is called the outcome of Iman. I hope you understood. So regarding this, some sentences are here. So question number 2 finish. Now see the question number 3. Who is the sustainer of this world? Describe how he sustains and protects his creations. Students, there are also 2 parts of this question. First one is very easy. Who is the sustainer of this world? It means Almighty Allah. And then how Almighty Allah sustains, protects his creations. I mean, how Almighty Allah protecting to the creatures, how Almighty Allah rearing to the creatures. You have to write about that. So if you read this part, then you can realize what is here. It is very easy. You have to understand what here said. Question number 4, write 5 attributes of Allah Ta'ala in Arabic with meaning in English. Students, here written in Arabic, but you have to write write in English. Arabic term, but you have to write in English. For example, Allahu Ghafurun. If you pronounce this, it will come the Arabic pronouns. But when you will write in English. So Allahu Ghafurun means Allah is the often forgiving. Already you learn all of these 5 attributive names of Almighty Allah from your chapter 1. If you want to write out of these attributive names, you can write, no problem at all. For example, if you want to write Allahu Alimun or Allahu Raufun, Allahu Rahmanun, Allahu Rahimun, but you have to know the meaning. Without meaning, you will not get the enough marks. Number 4 finish. Number 5, explain. Allah is the most forbearing. Students, try to understand. You have remember one of the attributive names of Almighty Allah is Allahu Halimun. It means Allah is the ever most forbearing. So explain Allah is the most forbearing. It means you have to write about the Allah's one attributive names which is called Allahu Halimun. So regarding this, here are some sentences. So if you read that attributive names in your book, then you can write easily. Now number 6 is very easy. Already you learned from your book what are the main teachings of Prophets Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. I told you in online class and when I discuss in YouTube class, it's very important. What are the main teaching of Prophets and Rasuls? I mean many of the prophets came in this world. What were their main teachings to the human beings? So there are 6 main teachings. You have to memorize all of this. For example, in the exam can come the 4 of the teachings or 3 of the teachings or 5 of the teachings, but if you memorize full of the teachings, then it will be very easy and you will get same as in your book also this question answer. Now question number 7, what are the important issues of life hereafter? Students, if you can say, sir, it's very big answer, but if you read this question, it will be very easy. For example, what are the important issues of life hereafter? I mean, after death, what stages, what steps you will face before entry to the Jannah. So first stage is question and answer in the grave. Already you know which question you will face in the grave. Then number 2, comfort or punishment in the grave is very easy to writing this one sentence. Then we will face the Qiyamah. So I written here very shortly about the Qiyamah. Then Hashar, then Mizan, then Amul Nama, and last Jannat and Jahannam. So if you read from your book, textbook, full discussion, then you can write easily about this question answer. And students, very carefully listen to me this question, question number 8. Write 10 sentences. What should be the character of a Muslim or Mumin? So I already discussed in the last portion of the chapter 1. There are many of the characteristics of a Mumin or Muslim. So I written here only 10 characteristics. So if you memorize at least 8 characteristics, then it will be very easy to writing in the exam. So you will write all of the good activities, all of the good characters of a Mumin. So if you read, then you can realize how easy this question answer. So it was the question answer chapter 1 from exercise 1 to 8. Now see the HW, your HW number 4 topic, only BQ number 2 you will write. BQ2 you will write as the HW. Okay, my dear students, I hope you understood, and if you don't understand any of the questions here, there is my mobile number, you can ask me. Read again and again, try to memorize all of this exercise question, because in the exam, most of the time can come the questions from the exercise. That's why I didn't select any important question. All are important for you from here. So see you next class inshallah. Till then, assalamu alaikum.